I've just never really been a dog person. Haley, what about Bongo? Bongo? I told you never to ever talk about Bongo!
What just happened? Who's Bongo?
You can have mine, Bongo.
Those toys are people brags, you good-hearted little brat. He bit me.
Get him out of here, son! Now! Where are we going, Daddy? Remember our old neighbor, Miss Viola? I knew that Bongo would have a good home there, and birds would never find him. No! No, Bongo! But there was one thing I wasn't prepared for. Bongo was happy without me.